Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick review of the Ovaman K600 4K dash cam. This was a dash cam that I recently tried out for my car. It comes with a 32 gig SD card. It has a rear facing camera that's 1080p and the front facing is 4K. I don't know if you can see it from the picture on the side, the SD card, there's a slot for it and it's a USB-C uh, charging cable that comes with the you can plug into your car charger. Or what I did is I actually bought an external battery pack, and I can do another video on that. But just getting into the camera, I will say the footage, the recording, and everything was pretty seamless. The setup videos, they have some really good setup videos to show you how to install the rear dash cam, how to hide the wiring, as well as the front. Basically installing it. So very good videos and really helpful setup. It also records GPS and it has a G sensor. So if you are parked, it recommends that you use the external power kit. I actually, like I said, I ended up plugging it into a battery pack that produced AC, and I was able to keep the car, keep the camera running. Yeah, it's actually, like I said, the footage, it captured it. The one thing I did find, it does come with a built-in app, and you can probably see it on the phone here. And I found it a little clunky. I was able to download the footage. It does record the GPS coordinates, but I was only able to download it once. And then when I tried again, it wouldn't retrieve any footage, even though I know it recorded. And so I was able to connect the camera directly to my computer. You put the camera in USB mode and you can download all the files. I can show you that real quick. Let me see. I wanted to show you guys very quickly what some of the files look like. Let's jump into. This actually, let's see what we got here. This actually was the front-facing view, and then I have another one on the rear facing. So as you can see, um, basically it comes with a player, and that was the one thing I was a little disappointed with. There's a player software that you can download, but unfortunately I couldn't get the files to play properly. It just kept freezing. Yeah, that's one thing. I ended up just using the players that you see here, VLC and Windows Media Player. So I just opened them in separate players so you can kind of see the back and front footage. Like I said, back is in 1080p, front footage is in 4K. So overall, the one thing, the buttons on the bottom were a little clunky. I guess it was just me just getting used to it. And I just felt it was a bit cheap. And I was worried that the camera was going to hold up. It just didn't feel very sturdy. But like I said, mounting was very seamless and the instructional videos were good. Um, However, overall, I just kind of feel that you can do better. There's better brands for maybe just a little bit more money. You can get the Rove or I ended up actually going for the Red Tiger. And I know Viofo, which is considered top of the line, is also available. So honestly, for maybe a little bit more spend, you might get something less. But it wasn't a bad camera, honestly, overall. So that's my review. I ended up returning it because, like I said, I was just really disappointed with the app because I really wanted that to be able to kind of put the rear and front footage together. And I ended up finding that with the Red Tiger, I was able to play it through the app seamlessly, and it was cool. Like it actually sync up both the front and rear camera footage. Anyway, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. This was for the 2023. I used it in 2023 Toyota Prius Prime, and that's it. Thank you.